Hanga ka kay oy. Mo ba ning classroom? Hala, gupahan niya oy.
Excuse me, na naging ko dere.
Wala.
So, good morning class, eyes on the board. So our lesson for today is all about Boyle's Law. So I think you've already tackled this during your senior high school and your junior high school days. So who knows about Boyle's Law? Yes, you miss.
I think, sir, Boyle's law is when the water is boiling at 100 degrees Celsius.
Mura mo siya po the grade 2, uy.
That's a good one, but I don't think so that it's correct. But still, good job, Miss Calib. So let's move on, class. Let's move on. So Boyle's law is a gas law given by the Anglo-Irish chemist Robert Boyle in 1662. So he stated that the pressure exerted by a gas is inversely proportional to the volume it occupies in a constant mass and temperature. So, in order for us to understand this class, in other words, for example, when we pump a gas in an enclosed space, it will shrink to fit into that space, but the pressure it puts on the container increases. So that is the reason why I told you last night on our group chat that you're going to bring these following materials for our long model. So why all of a sudden I tasked you to bring these materials to have a long model? Because in day-to-day lives, we are trying to understand what is Boyle's law in our lives. Because breathing is an example of Boyle's law. So class, this is the formula for Boyle's law. We have P1 or pressure 1 multiplied to volume 1 or V1 equals to P2 multiplied to V2. So we are going to have a calculation with this. So here class, we have an example problem. So a 2.5 liter container has a gas pressure of 4.6 atm. So if the volume is decreased to 1.6 liter, what will be the new pressure inside the container? So first, we have to determine what are the given numbers. So here, we can conclude that 4.6 atm is our pressure 1. So we are going to put it right here. And we can conclude that our volume 1 is 2.5 liters. So the question is, if the volume is decreased to 1.6 liter, which is the 1.6 liter is our volume 2, what will be the new pressure inside the container? So in this problem, the pressure 2 is the one that we are going to find out. So we are just going to plug it in. So the formula is P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. So like this. So we are going to plug it in. So here, na siya ka? Simple. PTM. And we have V1 which is 2.5. And equals to P2, which is the one that we're going to find out. And our V2, which is 1.6 liters. So here, we are just going to multiply. So 4.6 ATM multiplied by 2.5 liters. So calculate it, guys, calculate it so we can practice your fingers. So what is the answer, Miss?
11.5.
So 11.5. So you're just going to put it here. 11.5 like that. And it is here sa equal sign, which is 1.6 then B2. So we are just going to divide it on both sides, 1.6 and 1.6. So after this, it will going to cash out, and then P2 equals to, calculate this one. What is the answer? 7.18. So that is our pressure 2. So if the volume is decreased to 1.6 liters, what will be the new pressure inside the container? It would be 7.18. So that is the answer. So in order for us to really visualize this, we are going to make our activity right now, which is the long model that resonates with the Boyle's law. Class, we are going to demonstrate right now how does this model works. So when you exhale, you put pressure, making the volume of the balloon decrease. But if you inhale, the pressure decreases and making the volume of the balloon increase. So that's all, class. Hopefully you've learned something today about our lesson, Boyle's law. So thank you. Keep safe.
Ano yung makaga-reply? Ganila na po ka-chat sa imong app.
Ay mo, hindi tayo. Ulit yan sa kulang po yan.